Locked out of your Gmail with no recovery email or phone number. Don't panic. Most people think it's impossible to get back in, but there's a hidden method Google doesn't advertise. Watch closely because this could save your account. First, open any Gmail account you currently have access to on your device. Important: this works best from a device you've used to log into your locked account before Google tracks that. Tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top left. Scroll all the way down and select Help and Feedback. Keep watching. This is where the secret path begins. Choose Send Feedback from the list. Here's where most people get it wrong. Write a detailed message explaining that you've lost access, can't remember your password, and have no recovery options. Be honest, and specific vague messages get ignored. Wait approximately 48 hours for Google to review your request. You'll receive an email with a recovery link. Click it, set a new password, confirm it, and you're back in. Check your spam folder. The email often lands there. If this helped you, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more account recovery tricks you won't find anywhere else.